you for stopping by our channel. As many of you might or might not know, we're building a dome in the mountains of Virginia. What you see right here is us having formed the foundation, and it took a while, but we're getting ready for the footers to be poured. So I'm going through and I'm showing you what we have when it comes to the rebar and what the forms look like and how it's supported. We're expecting 40 yards, which in our case we were able to get 10 yards per concrete truck. So we had a total of 4 trucks that came into that came to the construction site. Right there, the center footer, we're going to have to come back and we'll lay that. We will pour concrete in that later. As you'll see, we did that because we have plumbing that we have to add in later. The plumbers wanted to get the primary footers installed first before they did their work. They were worried that when the pour happened, the pipes would get misaligned.